Well, here's where Imogene starts. We are done with gravel road and we are on the trail. So let's see just what happens. Morning, campers. It's July 20th today. We're in Ouray right now. You can see Ouray is kind of nestled in the midst of nothing but mountains. It's kind of crazy. Anyways, we're gonna try going up Imogene Pass today into Telluride, and then maybe take Last Dollar Road on the way back. But we'll see how it goes. The weather should hold out. I should be in good shape. So time to get geared up and go riding. Well, my virtual motorcycling friends, this trail starts out on Camp Bird Road, which is pretty much just a gravel road. It's the same road I took to go up to Yankee Boy Basin. But we're going to get up to a point here where Imogene Pass is going to cut off. Well, here's where Imogene starts. We are done with gravel road and we are on the trail. So let's see just what happens. First ledge. That went by pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is going to be interesting. Here's a nice one. My beast mode concentration going on. Try not to ride too hard, conserve my energy. I am 65 now, you know. My health plan is Medicare. This one more difficult than Yankee Boy. Yankee Boy, that was a piece of work there. So we'll see what we run into. And I don't know what they base their ratings on, whether it's Jeep. I think it's Jeep ratings. So I don't know if on a motorcycle it'd be different. but definitely has its share of rocks and ledges. Hippity hop over the rocks. Silly rabbit. Oh man. There might be some brakes involved with this one. Hey fellow motorcyclist. Stop and get a drink of water. Ooh, that rock's calling me. Maybe not. We'll stay over here in the little rocks. There's kind of a sharp going up. I didn't want to go bad so early into the trail. Hey, this one I think I can do. Oh yeah. Hippity hop over the rock. Nice ledge. This looks like a wonderful spot to take a break. Nice babbling river. Ooh. Get some of that high quality H2O. Yeah, this might be a trip of many breaks. Oh. Anyways, all right. I'm gonna sit here for a second. I'll catch back up with you. Oh my. Oh, is it ready to get wet? Here we go. Can see the bottom pretty good. Should be able to pick my line as long as it doesn't get too dicey. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Up and over. Here's one of those signs. This is where it's going to get dicey. High clearance, four-wheel drive, short wheelbase. That's a long wheelbase sitting right there. He can do it. I can do it. Ooh. That is a waterfall. That's a very beautiful waterfall. Here we go, people. Wait for he gets out of the way. Not in a real good spot to start in the first place. Crap. Pick your line safely. I know sometimes it looks like I'm getting really close to the edge there, but it's like the best line to go. I get on those big rocks, who knows, it could throw me right over there. Hey, sign says Imogene Pass this way. Oh look, we get another bridge, another water crossing of fast flowing water. Hope it's not too mossy. All right, we made it. Good job, people. Oh, a little speed. Look out. I'm in second gear. Oh, back first. Where am I going? I'm going up the hill. Somewhere. Right here. Those spots, there are spots in Yankee Boy that are a lot more dicey than this. But I have miles of trail to go. Rock side, see what that's like. Not too bad. Where's my line? Well, I didn't put my jacket on, but I think I'm doing enough work to keep the body heat up. So, till I need it, it's not going on. Oh, this is going to be the trail of water crossings, I guess. I can see moss on this thing. Oh, jeez. You can slip out in that stuff so easy. a wave that I can't take my hand off the handlebars. Oh, baby, baby. Baby, 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 baby. Look at all the flowers. Wow. Look at the mountains. Wow. Holy crap. I'm going to end up going way back that way. Alright, here we go. I just got some fairly easy switchbacks here. I'm gonna cut you guys off for a little bit. We'll bring you back. Well, I think I can see the pass from here. Boy, I was a little mistaken when I said there was going to be some easy switchbacks. There were some spots there where I had to make some hard decisions quickly, and it's just like you get to a spot like that, you just have to think, I'm going over this. Keep your momentum up and just keep going. And that's all you can do. All right, I can see the top. Down when I get a chance. Hope this is the right line. Right here. Gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go. Yeah! Who put all these rocks in the trail?
I have no idea.
Where am I going? Oh, go to the same place. Woo! I suppose, damn it, God only knows how many thousands of feet up. The air is a little thinner up here. I guess I should be getting tired. Please stay on road. You got a deal. I don't think this is a place you want to try going cross country. I know GoPro's not showing it, but this is severe downhill. Whee! Okay, I'm going up the ledge. There was no excitement at all in that. Momentum, momentum. I need momentum. Kicked my rear end up on that rock, jarred my back. That's all I need. Throw my back out in the middle of the San Juan Mountains. I'm okay. I'll live. Oh look, snow again. It's like we got somebody videoing a Jeep coming down a hill here. Something interesting coming up here. I can feel it in my bones. Come on, baby. Come on. Slip the clutch a little bit, get a little extra power. You're okay, we'll wait. Whoa, maybe we won't. Coming up here. I tell you, it's got to be the altitude affecting this bike. Because you seen back there, I was in first gear. And it took a lot to get that bike going. I know fuel injection is supposed to take care of that, but there's still less air up here to use. So I think, yes, it probably helps some, but it's getting the mixture right, but you can't get enough air into the cylinder to make good power. Oh, which way are we going here? I have no idea. We're going this way because there's a Jeep on that one. Okay, momentum. Come on, baby. Ooh, a little tail slide there. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have made it to the top of Imogene Pass. There's a overlook way up there. I got the energy. I'm trying to find a sign or something. And then you see the tool Jeep up here. And it bursts your bubble. I don't see a sign anywhere. Anybody know how high Imogene Pass is? No? You do? What is it? 13,200. All right, 13,200. You guys got to poll the crowd. Somebody in the crowd always knows. Oh, that was a tough ride up there. Wow. I hope I'm not going down that road with snow covering all over it. I don't think so. I think that's an alternate route, I'm sure. Wow, that was quite the climb.
That a 250 or 450?
250.
Nice.
I wish it was a 450.
Yeah, well, 250 is good up here, though.
I tell you, though, you know, it's got fuel injection, so it's supposed to handle
Yeah.
altitude changes,
Right.
but
Not
there's
so
less air, so you're not getting the amount to compress in
Right.
there.
Yeah.
It really struggles sometimes, surprisingly.
Yeah. Oh, we're up there.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
What's that?
What is it?
That's my GoPro. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
That wasn't a very enthusiastic hi.
Hi.
There you go, that's better. All right, people, I'm gonna take a little break here and head down the other side.
Up, no problem at all. Morning down, you start to get it. Evening, the whole time.
Turns out I was at an overlook when I was thought I was at Imogene Pass, but here's the official sign, 13,114 feet. So as they say in the business, and a bad job, it's all downhill from here. All right, enough of my bad jokes. Oops.